Hello students, welcome back to all of you in my session, and this is my second part video. And in the first part video we will learn about classification of number system. So in this video I will solve some exercise question. So our first exercise is 1.1. So let's see. And before I will tell you one thing. As you know that in the previous classes, according to our discussion, we already solved some statements and some statements given for homework. I hope you have done your homework. Okay, so now let's start. Okay. So students, our first question, and it is taken from exercise 1.1. First question, that is 0 a rational number? So what is rational number? As you know that it was explained, so let us consider the definition of rational number. So what is rational number? Number. So at first define this definition of rational number. So a rational number is the one that can be written in the form of P by Q. Isn't it, students? A rational number is the one that can be written in the form of P by Q. That is what? That is called rational number. Okay. So where also you have to write where P and Q are integers and Q not is equals to 0. Right? Now, in this question, after that you see, can you write it in the form of P by Q? Can you write it? 0. Here you see. Is 0 a rational number? After that, can you write it? Means, can you write this 0 in the form of P by Q? Yes. 0 also can be written in the form of P by Q. So yes, 0 can be written in the form of P by Q. How? So how can you express this 0 in the form of P by Q? 0 is written as 0 by 1, can write 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4 and 0 by 5 ... It means 0 by 1, it means 0 only. 0 by 5 also 0. It means you can express 0 in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. We know that 0 and 1 both are integers. Integers are positive, 0 and negative numbers. Right? So negative, positive and 0. All the numbers are known as integers. Right? So here 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. So all the numbers are in the form of P by Q, where both are integers. Right? And you see Q not is equals to 0. This is the value of Q. Q not is equals to 0. Q not is equals to 0. See? Okay? I hope everyone clear. So therefore 0 is a rational number. Clear? Right? Okay. Now students, our next question is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So before we solve this question answer, you need to know one thing. It is very important. You always remember that in between two rational number there is always infinite many rational number. That one very important. In between two rational numbers, suppose here 3 and 4. So 3 also can write 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Is not it? This is the form of p by q. So this is also known as rational number. So in between two rational number there are infinite many rational number. Okay? So now let's start our solution. Now, so how you find out 6 rational number between 3 and 4? Suppose here 3 by 1 and here 4 by 1. Now in the form of p by q. Okay? Now here denominator is 1 here, and here also denominator 1. Okay. One thing, that line also you need to write here. Line is, we know that between two numbers or rational number, two numbers, there are infinite many rational number. Here denominator is same. Okay? So when denominator is same, it means equal. Denominator is equal, no, here 1 and 1. So whenever denominator is same, we can apply method. We can apply this method. This is method number 1. Always you remember. Okay. So method number 1, there is one formula, that is n plus 1 into n. Into n, it means what? N means numerator. And now n plus 1 into denominator. D means denominator. Where n is equals to required rational number. Required rational number. Okay? I hope up to here clear. Okay. Now small n, it means required rational number. How many required rational number? There is 6 rational number. So here n is what? Sorry. Total required rational number is 6. So n value is 6. Now numerator. First one you see, numerator is 3. And denominator is what? 1. And second one, numerator is 4 and denominator is 1. So now n plus 1. So first one, let me check. First one. I'll take first one. Okay. So n is same, 6 plus 1 into numerator is 3. 3 you put here, and then again n plus 1, 6 plus 1 into here denominator is 1. So put here 1. Okay. So now that one you solve. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, and here 7 into 1, it means 7. Clear? Now this is the first one. Now second rational number you take, same way you find out. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 into, now here numerator is 4, again 6 plus 1, now here numerator is 1. So now 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28, and 7 into 1, that means 7. So now see, now rational number is 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. So now both the denominator is equal or same. Now numerator you check, 21 to 28, how many numbers are there? 21 to 28, see, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. How many rational numbers are there? 6 rational number. See? Okay. At last, now 21 by 7 by 28 by 7. So in between these two numbers, okay, there are 6 rational number. So the 6 rational numbers are okay, numbers are, you see, 21 by 7. So after that 22 by 7, okay, and then 23 by 7, and then 24 by 7, and then 25 by 7, and then 26 by 7, and at last 27 by 7. So this is the answer. Okay. So how many rational numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the required rational number. I hope everyone clear. This is the method number 1. You remember formula is n plus 1 into numerator. N means capital N means numerator, and divided by n plus 1 into denominator. Okay. So this is the formula. It is very important formula. Okay. This is very important formula. Okay. Now students, I hope you understand this method. And next question, question number 3 also same. I hope you can find it. So here it is changed. Now here written, find 5 rational numbers between, here denominator also changed. Denominator is now here 5 and here 5. So now after putting the denominator, you can see here both the denominators are equal. It means same way we will do. Okay. So question here 5 rational numbers in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, where both the denominator are equal. We know that between two numbers there are infinite many rational number, same as it is when denominator is same. We can apply this method, same formula. But here required rational number. How many required rational number? Here number of required rational number are 5. Okay. Now here little bit change. Only here. Now n plus 1. So total required rational number 5. 5 plus 1 into numerator is what now? 3, same. Now here 5 plus 1 into denominator is 5. Okay. Now you see 5 plus 1, 6. 6 3s are 18. And 5 plus 1 into 5. Then 5 6s are 30. Okay. Now next one you see. Next one is 4. And 5 plus 1 into 4. And here 5 plus 1 into 5. So here 6 4s are, see, 5 plus 1 6 and 6 4s are 24, and then 6 5s are 30. Now you see denominator both are equal. Now in between 18 and 24 there will be 5 rational number. See, so the 5. So 5 rational numbers are, we just correction is just here. So are after 18, it is 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, at last 23 by 30. See, so these are the 5 required rational number. Finish. Same way. I hope this exercise clear to you? Now there are some statements. So in the previous class, whatever I explained there, I hope you can understand. So these statements for homework only. It has given before only. So no more discussion today, and see you the upcoming session. Stay home, stay safe, and keep watching our sessions. Okay, and thank you. Goodbye.